Hello everybody, it's London24. In today's video, we are opening Pokemon Sword and Shield packs. Yep. And Scarlet and Violet packs. So, right here, this pack came with some cards, like with that one Pokemon on them. I don't know his name. Alright, first we're going to open the Scarlet and Violet pack. Okay, let's see what we get. Oh, alright. Tarantula. Riolu. Magneton. Clawitzer. Gradient. Vivian. Whatever the heck. Really cute dog. Bird Thing, Energy Search, NDD, Basic Energy, and the code. You can claim that code for free. Just enter that in like your Pokemon thing. Anyway, alright, let's move on to pack 2, everyone. Let's see what we get. If you like this video, make sure to like, and make sure to check out some other videos on my channel. They're really good. All right, let's see what we get in pack 2. Pikachu's cousin, the Rock, some sort of fish thing. Vulpix, guy in coat. That's cool. That's like really cool. What is that? Pretty sure that was one of the things on Netflix. It was on Netflix, I remember. Can't pronounce his name. Passiman. He's pretty cool. Look at the artwork. Anyway. Gardevoir, Fire Energy, Trainer, Big Hippo, Firefox, and free code. Someone claimed that. Oh, it's upside down. Here, someone claimed that. I don't care. Take it. Anyway, that's going to wrap it up for today's video. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!